Hey guys, it's coronavirus day 431. Stay at home to day 40. And just as a mental note, due to risks and possible wave 4, please do not have any gatherings of any kind during, especially during Victoria Day, because it's just gonna make it worse. And who knows who might get affected. So Ontario is right now at 2,170 coronavirus cases. High cases. Okay. Slightly lower than yesterday's. So today's so Toronto and Peel region are like literally 10 off, with Toronto with 566 high cases, and Peel region with 556 high cases. 215 from York region, 120 from Durham region, and 101 from Hamilton. All other regions reported under 100 cases. Deaths have 4 deaths have been reported today. So variant cases. So variant cases of so the UK variant has gotten worse with the 108,801 variant cases, an increase of plus 1,260, 679 South African variants, an increase of plus 2,221 Brazilian variants, which is at 38, and an India double-mutant variant, although it is finally classified as like a variant of concern. And the new reports is at 45, but I'm not being told where the cases are, because just first off it hit in Brampton, which of course Mayor Patrick Brown was not happy about, and also Ottawa with 141. And Dr. Vera Etchell was not happy about that either. And all of these cases I've linked was linked to travel. Of course, but some people are actually like quarantining like good citizens. Yeah, while a small portion of them they are like they do not. They prefer not to follow the rules, and yeah, they're like, yeah. So and the government hasn't done much actually, and I'm surprised Doug Ford hasn't enforced the rule where they're actually like a screen they're doing the same checking thing they did for the other 3 variants. Because I think that would be, of course, there would be a smart idea, but of course. And of course, but ventilators have been sent from Ontario to India to help out Indian coronavirus patients. And India is currently going through a severe, more drastic wave 2 of coronavirus than unlike what Canada has gone through. It's think of it as like 100 times worse. And so 500 ventilators have been sent. So I think that's at least that's good. Although I think the government, Health Canada should actually, and then Public Health in Ontario should actually do something about it. So vaccine booking details are down below. Through the website. COVID19.ontario.ca/book vaccine. By phone 1-888-999-6488 at a pharmacy, and this will all be through with the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine or the Moderna vaccine, depends which one they'll use on you. And vaccine bookings are available for children 12 to 17 starting May 31st. With the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine, and also through special dedicated youth and family clinics throughout the week of June 14th and June 21st. And of course, stay-at-home rules are down below until June 2nd. Which brings me to my topic today. So the Ontario government said they will expand the coronavirus vaccination eligibility to everyone under 18, so 18 and old. Basically, if you're 18 and older, you can start basically book a vaccine. So starting 8 a.m. tomorrow. So this is because of the Pfizer Incorporated sent a large amount of vaccines. So instead of having to wait a long time, we can do it much sooner. And the second dosage of vaccines. So technically they can vaccinate. We can vaccinate people much more quicker. So this high number of doses is due to an early delivery of the week of May 24th shipment to accommodate the long weekend, and an opportunity for the province to offer an appointment to receive the vaccine to more Ontarians ahead of schedule. So people were supposed to be able to book on May 24th, like next week, next Monday. But now they can do it 6 days earlier. So Ontarians who are 17 years old and turning 18 in 2021 will also be eligible to book a vaccination for the Pfizer BioNTech vaccine only. So and the only reason is because the Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine, currently the only double vaccine and a double shot vaccine that has been approved by Health Canada for use in aged 12 and older. So of course, the options are the booking system, through online by the toll-free number, through the farm, or directly through the local public health units that use their own system, because apparently, that is an option. So already 8 Ontarians 18 and older who lived in the 114 hotspot communities, with the postal code, which is just really confusing. So I've already been eligible for a vaccine, and Yor Region, since they played smart, they vaccinated everyone who is basically 18 and up. So yeah, thanks. So if you're if you live in Yor Region, yeah, you're lucky. So already Doug Ford announced 7 million doses of vaccines have been administered. So which is like over like a half of adults, and let's increase that number. So, just a reminder, the EMCPA, the Emergency Management Civil Provincial Act rule, which is for lockdowns and stay-at-home orders. So, yeah, So, this is just for in case that people are having a gathering, which they shouldn't be. And each individual will be charged $750 if they're like, if police find them having a gathering, and sometimes $130 surcharge. Porto Police did this for people fishing in Porto. Yeah, people do it all the time, and it's just annoying. $880 through ride checks, which is 100% legal actually. And 5 people from Brantford, which is like somewhat southwestern Ontario, they got caught through a ride check, which is not a random stop thingy, by Timmins Police, and yes, they had to fine them $880 each. $1,000 for preventing others from following orders. Yeah. $10,000 for those who organized or planned the gathering. And if it gets severe, $1 million, or it's jail time. So, coronavirus cases, hospitalizations, unfortunately, is at 1,320, an increase of plus 28, unfortunately. 779 patient ICU patients, so that's minus 6. I mean, it's 779. That's much lower than yesterday's number. but still stress for critical care nurses. And 536 ICU patient using a ventilator, minus 16. So finally, it sort of declined a bit. And finally, there are in the long-term care home that's an update. Is the number is still at 3,765. Staff deaths is still at 13, and outbreaks are still at 34. With minus 2 compared to yesterday's number. So please follow coronavirus safety rules and regulations and stay-at-home rules. Don't have any gatherings of any kind, especially on Victoria Day, for the safety of others. Don't ruin it. We're sort of at a good streak. Let's lower it even more. And otherwise, we won't have like a good summer. And don't forget, and as Dr. Peter Juni has mentioned, if wave 4 ever comes, there's going to be three issues: the common cold, flu, and coronavirus to deal with in the fall.